So now let's see what's the problem with our insert method, that our auto increment is not working and only the value added to the ID is always 0. It should actually auto increment the ID, the first value of the, because it's a primary key. Okay, this is our insert employee function, and this is where the onCreate is done. Yes, so I see two things here. First of all, we had changed the ID value to employee ID and product ID, so we should use here emp underscore ID and product ID as the column names, and here we should use employee ID integer primary key because this is our primary key, and auto and increment should be together. And the same thing we should copy down. It should be primary key and auto and increment should be like this. Now we try to run again and then see if our keys are being incremented automatically or not. We delete this so that we have everything new again, and we have to wait until the APK installs and the activity launches. That's it. We can again delete it to clear everything so that the output is clear in our Android monitor. So first of all, let's say we save the name as Eric, and let's say his age is 10. So we say save Eric. No, actually, first of all, we delete everything so that our tables are deleted again. We start from new. We save Eric. Now it should be, the primary key should be 1 and Eric, and it should be, yes. So this is the primary key, which is 1. Name is Eric and age is 10. Now we change the name to Steve. Make the age 11. And now we save. It should save with the employee ID 2 automatically. And now if we load, we see, let's see what happens. We can delete again, and you see from the top, now we'll have two values, one Eric and Steve with employee ID of 1 and 2. So load, so employee ID 1, name Eric, age 10, employee ID 2, name Steve, and age 11. Yes, so if we save here Paul, sorry, P-A-U-L, Paul, and his age is say 9, and we save, so it should be saved with the employee ID 3. Now we can load it again and check. We loaded it. Now let us check. Okay, employee ID is 1, name Eric, age 10, employee ID 2, name Steve, age 11, employee ID 3, name Paul, age 9. So that's it. So this is all working fine. So everything seems to work fine. Now we can try it. Actually, the demonstration is kind of complete for our SQLite database, but we can maybe change our code to feel a bit more better. We can, for example, add values for the product table as well. We can find a logic so that when we load, we click load from employee here, then the values from the employee table are filled in these 3 rows on our screen. And if we do load product, then these 3 values are loaded from the product table, and the save product, and it's the same as the save employee. So we can now kind of complete this app now, as our basic functions are done. So we stop the run again and start the coding again. So what we can simply do is that we can simply copy this in the save button. Like if the employee 1 get text or the age 1 get text is not, age of the employee 1 is not empty, then we insert into the database. We can simply do it for the rest.